So this demonstration covers phase 1 and phase 2 of the process from scratch. I'll be explaining the entire life cycle. We already have the data synced to the Monday board. To build the mental model, here's what happens. So when an email arrives in the Nova Heavens Claims AI mailbox, the automation runs. It automatically extracts key details from the email and populates them on the Monday board. And as you can see, this was the email sent to the Claims AI mailbox. Now it does not matter in which format the data arrives, but it's preferred that the format for the email should be consistent, especially the damaged property address. But the AI is smart enough to automatically uh, format the data and capture key details and populate it on the Monday board. So once we have the item synced with all the relevant details, and next automation runs, and that involves querying the property database to find the best suited properties, which are then listed as sub-items. For example, if you look at the address in the damaged residence column, it's 15860 Elisa Viejo Court, Moreno Valley, California, USA. The automation searches for this in the property database, specifically within the approved group. So if we search Moreno Valley, we have 3 items in the approved group. The automation, what it will do is it would automatically populate the sub items and has automatically linked them to the property database. So you can easily view the property details. Now, if we type in Moreno Valley again, notice that while we have 3 matching items in the database, only 2 were populated. And this is because the AI selects only the best suited items based on the specific requirements of the claim before populating them. Now, the next phase in the AI automation is web scraping, and this is triggered when the responsible person changes the status to get more listings. This runs a scraper that pulls data from the Furnished Finder website. It automatically applies filter based on the original requirements and lists the results on the property scraping board. I'll be showing you that. So these are the properties that the scraper has returned based on the original requirements, and they link back to the original claim item. Here you can see so here you can see the details that we have successfully fetched from the Furnished Finder website. It includes rental value, number of baths, property address, and the property link, as well as a relation to the original item. Now we did not change your existing board because adding columns here would also reflect changes on the other groups that you have in that you are using for your current processes. To summarize phase 1 and phase 2, an email arrives in the Claims AI mailbox and its details are populated on the claim process board. Based on the original requirements, the system queries the database to find the best possible matching properties and list them as sub-items. If additional listings are required, the status needs to be changed to get more listings so that the scraper can run. Once the scraper gathers the data, property scraping board, so once the scraper gathers the data, it lists the new properties on the board. The scraper ensures that the data is highly relevant. It automatically applies the filters. So yeah, this was the end of demonstration.